this is Jeannie from Trinity Tree, and I'm not doing a tutorial today, but I had a project that I was working on this morning, so I thought I would just share it with you. My oldest sister is in the nursing home in Arkansas, and of course right now all the residents in nursing homes most of them are being quarantined to their room. They can't have visitors. They can't have, visits from family. My dad's in the nursing home too. But now, my dad will be 98 next month. I don't know if we'll get to celebrate his birthday with him or not. I've only seen him one time since all this started, and that was through a glass door, which was very confusing for him. He has some mild dementia, and the good thing about his dementia is when he sees us again, he won't realize that he hasn't seen us in 6 weeks. He kind of lives in the moment. So he's healthy and he's doing well and he's being well taken care of. He's in Pontotoc Health and Rehab here that's just 5 minutes away. And they call me every week and give me an update, and they answer my calls when I call to check on him. So I know he's making it far better than 90% of the other residents there, and he's making it a lot better than we are because we're missing him and we can't see him, but we'll be able to soon enough. But now my sister is in Arkansas. Of course, that's quite a distance away, and of course her family can't visit. So what I'm doing for her is fixing up little care packages. About 3 weeks ago, I made a run through Dollar Tree and I picked up all kinds of little things, hand lotions and snacks and just different things, and put them in several different packages. And then we mail those packages like every 4 or 5 days. So, every few days she's getting a small package of just a little happy type stuff. So I just wanted to tell you about that and just encourage you to do something like that. If you have someone that's a resident in a nursing home that's not getting any visitors right now, and of course send cards and letters to those that are able to enjoy those. So I was just going to show you, and I'm looking for your ideas too. These are just some of the things that I picked up yesterday, and straws, all these things came from like Dollar General or the Dollar Tree. Of course, some personal care items, some air freshener. My sister loves puzzles. I could not find a puzzle anywhere. Of course, I only went to Dollar General yesterday because I'm not getting out and going all over town or anything like that. But I found a puzzle that we have here at the house that I'm going to send her. A dry erase board with some colored markers. Denture things, raisins, and what I'll do is when I fix up my little individual boxes, I'll break these up and put like 1 box of raisins, and then I'll spread them out. Peppermint. My sister's a diabetic, so I have to be careful with the things that I send. That's just some fruit snacks, makeup. A compact, emery boards, safety pins, and they can't have a whole lot of stuff in their room. There's no room for it. So I'm trying to not send her decorative things. Now I did send her that patriotic wreath that I made yesterday. It's going out today. And here are some extra large size word puzzles, word binders. I love this. This was on the Easter sale rack, but it's those suckers. We used to get these when I was little, and my mother would hang them in the kitchen, and we could only get one every so often, but I just thought that was cute. She'll like that. Snacks, individual packs of peanuts, markers, hand lotion. So I hope that if you have more ideas that you will comment, because when you walk through the store, it's hard to kind of pick out things that you think she would like. But peanut butter crackers. Oh, I thought she would like this. It's the individual packets of orange drink and grape drink mix that she can use in her cup. Air freshener. and a little bit of individually wrapped candy. So anyway, I'll take all these things, and if you have been watching any of our videos, my brother Jack, my oldest sister is Sunny, and she's in the nursing home in Arkansas. My middle sister died 2 years ago with lung cancer, and then I have a younger brother. And if you've watched any of our videos, you know that sometimes we have gone to his shop because he has great internet service, and we've done our videos from there. But so anyway, tomorrow is his birthday, so I was thinking that I might make him some old-fashioned tea cakes. So if you would like to see me do that in the kitchen here, do the tea cake recipe, leave me a comment and just let me know. And right now I'm gonna take all these up to his shop, and we're gonna box them up into individual boxes, and he's gonna put labels on them for me, okay? Thanks for watching. Just wanted to give you that little idea, and hope that if you have family or friends in a nursing home, that you'll take a little extra time, send them a card, and just let them know that you're thinking about them. Thank you. Bye-bye.